And now we calculation because a week is 7 days. Yeah, last week in Kwana, it is near next week here. You phrase him more sanity. But you see, one of the things what the power of the gospel must be able to do for everybody that Christ made the so was ne so mama say enwan akompetekum eti mama monim free so wo na momna mo ho asese buburu. He prepared us because he knew that there were going to be venomous beasts in the world. And you may be on my Wednesday, yes, I can boldly tell you. Because and you may be a serious impediment. One of the things that the gospel prepares you for is that it prepares you against tribulations. Oh, there are tribulations in this world. It war about the factory so when you and all that kind of thing. But near maybe when you pana kwemwa say assemblance yes na masani emano sani emani beti mama na to assemnake. And that is the scripture. I just quoted Matthew chapter 13 from verse number 1 to 24. Assembly beti mama e hintidian beti mama to assemnake. I'm telling you. Yeah. Let me use Dr. Manebuama and the colleagues that had the helicopter crash. Will be let me use their family people. That tragedy is a tribulation. It's a tribulation. But if you are not rooted in the word, I'm telling you, serious. A tribulation. Yeah. My Bible factor home group timimu. Let me shout tire. Yeah. Shout tire. There's a young man that Paulo you know, and Lady Ella knows, Lady Vivian knows because he is also a worshipper. Got married. When they got married, they brought his wife to Alabaster City. We prayed for them. We celebrated them. You will not believe. 1 month after the marriage, the wife was diagnosed of cancer. 1 month after. Your friend, tribulation. The word tribulation comes from, the Latin word tribula. Oppression. Adversity is standing before you. If you are a Christian and you don't know how to handle problems, then you are in the wrong continent. You are in the wrong world.